Morning YouTube, we're back. We're back with another video. And today, I got something special for you guys. As you can see, it's early in the morning, it's cold. Really sucks, not gonna lie to you. Weather, pretty shit. Especially when you're trying to make videos. And you're doing shit on cars. All outside, by the way. But today, we are getting a new Y pipe because you guys have informed me, shout out to you guys, that yeah, it sounds shit. And that's, I appreciate y'all. Not gonna lie to you, I really do. But check it out. Yes, sir. All right, let's get this out. All right. The box right here. Let's bust it open, all right? My pipe right here. Looks pretty cool. And I'm gonna show you guys my old Y pipe because the guys told me that it's absolutely terrible. Like somebody put duct tape on the shit, the last owner. Yeah, I fucked up with that one. But we got a new one, that's all that matters. That's all that matters, we got a new one. So I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start. And I need your help with that too, right? Cold start's still taking forever. I really don't know how to fix that. But let's give you guys a sound. And then let's go get this put on. Peace out. Slow your ass down, nigga. Alright, YouTube, it's the next morning. Could not finish the video up yesterday because of some family stuff. But I got the new Y pipe put on, and it turns out there's another exhaust leak near the resonator. I could solve it by like doing a resonator delete or like getting a whole new resonator. Because the people, I don't know, the people they're talking about, like, I have to get a whole new resonator for that one hole. Like, you can't just plug the hole. Let me know about that, because that doesn't make sense to me. But anyways, I'm gonna play the cold start for you right now. Yeah, it's not that good, not gonna lie to you. I mean, it sounds better than before, but it's still starting like shit, and I really don't know how to fix that. So I'm gonna have to take it to my guy again. Shit is pissing me off. It's a hole in my pocket, but it's whatever. Gotta take you guys through the whole journey, man. But yeah, I'm gonna put some more driving footage up right here. it's way too quiet. Way too quiet. So that's probably going to be, muffler delete is definitely coming. I don't know about resonator delete, but muffler delete is most definitely coming. Because the resonator delete is way too loud, like extremely too loud. The car takes forever to start, so it's going to sound ugly. Very ugly. But that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like I'm making no progress, but small progress is still progress. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.